What in the... Ay! Where? Hi guys! Hello, andito kami ngayon sa... Almost 6,000.
6,000.
Put here in the pocket. Hi guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa church. Good morning, happy blessed Sunday. Hi. Yan yung i-offer niya daw. Binigay ko na kasi kapag ano, yes, it's open. Hi ate.
Hello. Mommy, I told you it's going to be hot.
Wala pala si mama. Pumunta sa kahipag ko. Balik siya bukas. At wala si Mr. May work siya. Kaya kami lang ngayon. Sunday.
He's so
So on the way na kami guys.
hot, Mommy.
Kita-kit sa simbahan. Alam nyo na yung way namin.
Are we going to the small church?
Yes. Yan. Kita-kit. Happy blessed Sunday.
Mommy,
Eh?
where is the activity in the big church?
Yes. No, not big church. Another church. Yes. Yan. Maya ulit. You don't step in the water. Don't dirty your shoes.
Where are the cops?
No, they remove.
What's the smell? What's the smell, Mommy? So nice.
Perfume, mom.
Did you put perfume?
Eh.
Yeah.
Oo naman, mag-perfume naman tayo minsan. Lalabas. Maglagay tayo ng perfume. Dito na kami. Sana may upuan pa tayo, nak. Kaster. Kapag ganitong oras wala pang masyadong ano, kaya maaga kami pumapunta para may upuan kasi pag ano na maraming tao guys. Dito na kami.
What you got? Cupcake?
May cupcake. Magkano pa? Binebenta nila ito guys. Mga chocolate. Magkano kaya yung cup? But I don't... Later we will check how much. Tingin tayo ng... Ay, yung cup. Teka, meron pa kayang cup?
تعطيني كوبايتين تعطيني كوبايتين
Hi guys, tapos na kami nagmisa. Pauwi na kami. Luluto ako ng pang-lunch namin. Ayan. Ito yung tira namin nung Sunday. Nag-barbecue kami. So, hindi ko lahat binarbecue. Ilagay ko sa freezer. So, ginisa ko ito sa, tawag dito, sitaw. Yung tanim ko noon. Summer. Ayan. And then, ayan yung shish barak kahapon. So, ito. Kami lang ang mga bata. Wala ang biyanan ko nasa hipag ko. And si Mr. nasa trabaho siya. So, luto na. Ginisang sitaw with beef. Tapos yung shish barak kahapon. Mamili na lang sila kung ano ang gusto nila. And then, ito naman yung tupig. Kunti na lang natira. Kumain si Cheyenne. Si mama hindi siya kumain kasi false stitch siya. Didikit yung ano niya daw. Konti lang yung tinikman niya kahapon. Ay, nung gabi. Kagabi. Small piece lang. Tapos, na ano ata sa ano niya, false stitch. Si Mr. ayaw, hindi mapilit eh. Hayaan ko. Alam niyo, si Mr. hindi niya natikman kasi ayaw niya. So, okay lang. Huwag pilitin, guys. Meron din naman yung ayaw nila. Meron din naman yung gusto. So, yung mga bata, si Cheyenne, gusto niya. Si Kian, medium. So, yan na lang yung natira. Ginawa kong tubig. Masarap siya. Lalo pag, mas gusto ko yung tubig na hindi mainit. Yung kinabukasan, mas malinamnam siya, guys. So, kids, kain na tayo. Magmukbang tayo. So, kung magmukbang. At nagugutom na ako for breakfast. Yan, kararating ko lang galing kanina. Ay, nung after namin nagsimba, pumunta ako sa supermarket, bumili ng tinapay, tapos mga sabon, yung pang hand wash. Yun ang binili ko. Tapos coffee ni Mr. Yan, ito na ito. Sarap, guys. Yala, kids, the food is ready. Kain tayo, guys. Naiinitan ako, ewan ko. Pero malamig, mahangin sa labas. Maaraw na mahangin. Kain tayo, guys. Mamaya labas tayo. Ipasyal ko mga bata dito lang sa paligid. Magpa-araw kami. Kasi may araw siya. O after namin kumain. Tapos after that, mag-lecture kami.
Is it done?
Yes, Yala, put na the plate and spoon.
Where's the shish parak?
Come on, it's here.
Firas. Can we also eat rice in laban?
Fila, it's laban. Be careful, it's laban already. Yala, put the Haida. Remove the bread. Put the Haida for this one.
We can put rice on the shish barak.
Yes, Fila is...
Oh, yeah.
Yala, put... Come on, put... give me that one. There is spoon.
It could be called. Either it's scared or
Yes.
I want to put my head on. I feel a bit cold. What did you cook?
Beef, Haida shish
I
barak.
want shish barak. Give me shish barak. Give me shish barak. I like shish barak.
Tignan nyo naman itong gwapo ko, anak.
Shish barak is my favorite.
Shish barak is your favorite?
I love shish barak.
Give me nice
Can
spoon.
I eat at night? Shish barak.
It will finish, Mama. Yala, give me bring the spoon. Put in the table. In the plate.
Can I eat your food?
No, Mama. No phone in the table.
Wash your head.
This is the towel. Oh, put on it.
What's your towel?
Put on it. This sa akin.
Rice.
Yala, give it. Rice is left talaga sa bata.
Yes. I like the rice that is like the long one, you know? So, For walking in the rainbow. Oh, you got snacks. Palmari. And guess what Mommy bought? Noodle. Mommy, are they spicy? No.
No.
Okay, then I want noodles for night.
Okay. Yan, kain tayo. Halika na, kain na. Let's eat. You're not playing anymore.
I said, please use the dress as I pay. I think this is the same food as Yuki she showed me. But it's written on it Korean. It is Korean.
You want rice kaya?
I want more sauce. I want more sauce. I like sauce. Look at this.
Yan, kain tayo, guys. Mukbang tayo. Gutom na ako.
Mommy?
Let's eat.
Ah, she's butter.
Mmm.
Cheese butter. It's cheesy. Why do they call it shish butter, not cheese butter? Because it's cheesy?
Dito, mama.
No, no, I like something like this every time I tastes so good. The cover tastes so good. Also the meat. The sauce it's 3 stars over 5. The meat and the cover is 4 stars over 5. Why the sauce? Because it's not tasty. It's laban. You can take water. And I don't know what to say.
Is that good?
Bella, but I don't know what you're saying. You can drink water when you taste it. And that's a minus point because I don't want to drink water. I'll drink water. Nothing will happen. Daddy said my mouse
Kausap namin ang mga parents ko, guys. At sa kapatid ko, pamangkin. Habang kumakain kami.
I'm going to see fire burn out.
Oh, it's cold, Heidi.
And she's going to burn her mouth. Mommy, she's going to burn her mouth.
Remember?
Mommy, she's going to burn her mouth.
You want more tea?
Oh, look, there's a dog. There.
Hi, Bella.
That's outside the house? How's that?
Kanta ka man?
Why is she screaming? To make a decision, they would they would take the whole night, and they.
Hi guys, andito ako sa kusina and ayun, katatapos ko lang nakausap si Mr. kasi tawag nito ngayong gabi, dineclare nila na inyo sa TV na walang pasok buong Lebanon school. Isa sa mga anak ko yung school nila, lahat guys, buong school dito sa Lebanon walang pasok dahil ang nangyari ngayon, akala ko tapos na. Ang nangyari kasi, ayun, sa South ata, mayroon nang matay na malaking responsibility sa grupo ng H. So, parang natatakot sila. And, yun nga din, about sa kabilang baryo, yung mga maraming namamatay, parang, nila doon, yung, bigay ang tawag doon dahil sa nangyayari doon sa kabilang baryo, yung letter P, alam nyo na guys, na daming victim, parang bigyan nila ito ng honor sa mga taong namamatay, ganun. And then yun na nga, nangyari ngayong araw, yung pinatay nila yung isang responsibility sa South. Alam nyo yung inaasahan mo na akala mo tapos na guys, nag-continue. Sabi ni Mr. Palala daw ng palala ang sitwasyon. So, nag-expect kami na tapos na, hindi pala. Sabi ko, akala ko tapos na. Hindi daw, bumalik daw, sabi ni Mr. At saka, high tension daw. Sabi niya yun, katatawag lang ni Mr. And nainis kasi sa TV, ayun, nag-message na ang school na walang pasok. Basahin ko yung message nila. Ayan, nag-message na sila guys. Nainis pala before sa sa TV before nila isend sa grupo. Pero eto.
Mommy? Hello.
Can
Can I use your phone?
No, Mama.
Hey, the dashboard.
Dear parents, greeting of affection, and after in compliance with the decision of the Presidency of the Government, the Ministry of Education and Higher Education, and the General Secretariat of Catholic School in Lebanon, classes at the school, yun na yung name ng school ng mga bata, will be suspended tomorrow, Monday, December 11. Yun yung sabi dito na letter, kaya walang pasok ang mga bata bukas. What, Mama? Today is Saturday, so late ko na ito upload. Sumakit yung ulo ko kasi nagulat ako sa balita ni Mr.
Can I hide the phone?
No, Mama, it's charging. Kian, go watch your TV. So, ayun. Mag-charge lang ako and then edit ko guys. So,
Mommy, I was watching news about the war.
because we need to watch.
And the phone is 69%.
Yeah, we need to watch, Mama.
And the phone is 9.
Ayan, ito yung update ko ngayong araw, guys.
And also,
Hindi
Mommy, the
okay,
phone is
hindi pa rin okay ang Lebanon. Ang sitwasyon dito sa South.
The phone is 69%.
Ayan, mag-shower na ako, guys. So, good night na, mag-good night na.